channel's name is Style My Way Usha, and I am Usha. I make videos related to lifestyle, fashion, styling, and I also share my shopping hauls with you. And I also do a lot of DIYs. If you like all these things, please subscribe to my channel. And today I'm going to do a shopping haul video. I shopped for some daily wear kurtas from Myntra, and also a kurta set and a pajama set from Meesho. So without further ado, let's see what all I got. So the first kurta which I bought is this kurta, which is green in color. It's like a neon-y green color. It's not as bright as the neon green, but it's kind of a similar color, and it has this V neckline with buttons, and then it has this same cloth tassels. This is a sustainable brand of Myntra's. It's a Tavi brand. And this print is a Bagru print, as you can see. It's all hand block printed. It's so beautiful, pretty, and it looks so nice with blue and green, and all these colors go so well with each other. And then at the bottom it has a green colored fabric like this, like a V-shaped design going on, and then it has this fabric, and this is so nice and versatile. I love this piece because you can wear it as a dress as well as you can wear it as a kurta with your pants, or even with palazzos. It will look very nice. So the next one is this black kurta. This is also from the brand Tavi. Actually the prices, I don't remember the prices. I am going to give the prices somewhere on the screen, and I will mention the links in the description box below. So if you want to buy these, you can check them out on Myntra. So the next thing is this black colored cotton kurta. This is also a handloom fabric. As you can see, this is all woven design. So you can see how it is. It's very pretty, very nice. I really loved it. I wore it already, and as you can see, I have also washed it, so it still looks nice. There was no color leakage or anything, so this is very nice. It has this band gala kind of thing, and then it has the sleeves. You can wear the sleeves like this, or if you want, you can even fold it, and this looks very stylish. I like this kind of look. So this is just a normal kurta, and it has pocket on only one side of the kurta. And okay, sorry, this is also from the brand Tavi, and all of them, this kurta came with trousers. So this is how the trousers looks like. It's a off-white colored checks kind of pattern on the trousers. This is how the pants look like, and they don't have pockets. It has a belt on the front, and it's elasticated at the back. So this is how the bottoms look like. And then I got a brown colored kurta. This is a proper chocolatey brown colored kurta. I really loved this style. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful. It's from the brand Sangria. This is also a pure cotton kurta, and it has this band gala, and then the embroidery going on here, simple embroidery, and it has this checks design on the sleeves. Looks very nice. So this is how it is, and this kurta opens all over in the front, so you can also wear it as a shrug. So then at the back it has this kind of birds embroidered here. So cute, very pretty, very nice. I never had a brown color kurta, so as soon as I saw this, I bought it, and the prices were quite reasonable. I bought them on sale. On the tags the prices are like 1700, 2000 and all, but I bought them at a very reasonable price. I will mention the prices anyway on the screen, so you can check them out. Maybe the prices might have changed now, because when I bought them they were on sale, so the same kurta might not come for the same price, or maybe it might come for lesser also, so you have to check it out. Then I bought these bottoms. These bottoms are green in color, and these are also block printed and made of pure cotton fabric, and it has this kind of detailing at the bottom, as you can see, like a dhoti kind of look, but it's not a dhoti kind of bottom, but they have just given it a look like that. And this is from the brand Sassafras, and Shea is their Shea by Sassafras. And the prices I'll mention below. I bought this one because it's very stylish, and I can pair it up with anything, like a white kurta also goes so well with it, or a white colored what do you call, peplum top. This will look so nice with all these kind of things, or a plain green kurta. If you have a plain colored green kurta, or any shade of green, like a dark green or a light green or any other color, it will go so well with all those things. These are perfect for mix and match, so I got these. And then I got one more kurta, which is like this. This is like a mauvish gray color, and it has this kind of cute pink colored floral print going on all over. It's very pretty, very nice. But the fabric is not as good quality as the ones which I bought from Tavi and Sangria. This one is from Here and Now, I guess. Yeah, this one was from Here and Now. The fabric quality is not very good. They said it's pure cotton. It looks like pure cotton, but not a very good cotton fabric. It's very thin. It's kind of transparent actually. You have to wear something like a slip inside. This is how it looks. It has full sleeves. It's a very nice comfortable kurta for daily wear purpose. It's very good. Then I bought this kurta set, which is pink in color. This is proper fuchsia pink color. This is from the brand Vishuddh. And then the kurta looks like this. It's a pure cotton kurta, and it has this woven detailing going on all over, like this small polka dots, which are all woven into the fabric like this. As you can see, they are not printed. This is a very beautiful kurta, very nice, and it has the wooden buttons going on all over. And this can be opened from the front, so this also can be worn as a shrug. If you have a crop top and trousers and you want to style it up differently, you can also do that. You can wear a crop top and jeans, and over that you can wear this kind of shrug, and totally change the look of this kurta. So these are all like versatile pieces, and I really love this one. It's very nice, and it comes with bottoms too. So this is how the bottoms look like. They are striped with pink and orange color. As you can see, it is elasticated on both sides. So this is how the bottoms look like, and no pockets. So that was all the kurtas and kurta sets which I got from Myntra. And then I got the bottoms, which are like this. This is a black cotton bottom which I got from Sangria. It's a cotton bottom, pure cotton, and it is a little transparent actually. The fabric is not very thick, as you can see. So this is how they look, normal plain bottoms, because I didn't have black color bottoms, so I got them. And then I bought these pink colored bottoms too. They are very nice, very pretty. they have this kind of stripes going on, and this fabric is quite good and a little bit thicker than the other fabric which I have seen till now. And this is from Global Desi. I really loved this one. I can pair so many things with this. Like I have a plain light blue colored kurta. I can wear this with that also. It looks very nice. And pair it up with anything pink. You can do lots of mix and match kind of thing with this and experiment with your looks. So then I got this bottom which is mustard colored. This is also a cotton bottom. It is belted in the front and elasticated at the back, and this is from the brand Sangria. And these are also normal trouser type of bottoms, and they do have pockets. As you can see. And then this is all printed. This is not a woven fabric, and the prices were actually, I think, like 400 or 500 or something like that. Not very expensive also, but the fabric is very nice, very good. The quality of the fabric is quite good. That is why I bought these. So then I got two things from Meesho which I wanted to share with you. So one of them is a pajama set, as I have told you before. This is yellow in color and it has this beautiful floral pattern going on all over, as you can see. It's kind of like a kurta pattern. I am a little short, so this comes like almost till my knees. So this is how it looks. This is the top, and the bottom is also the same print. So this is how the bottom looks like. Very nice, very comfortable. I loved the quality of the pajamas. I think they were like for 500 or 550 rupees, but the quality is very good. I have washed it and there was no color leakage or nothing damaged in the fabric. It's a very nice pajamas. You can buy them if you want from Meesho. So then I got a teal colored kurta set from Meesho, which is like this. This is a teal green colored kurta. Then it has a piping going on here which is red in color, and it has this colorful floral embroidery going on in the center. This is all embroidered, and the side pattern which you see, this floral pattern, is all printed, and then it has embroidery on the sleeves too. This is pure cotton, I guess. I don't know whether it's pure because I feel that it has kind of like it's polycot or something. Okay, when I wash it I will come to know what kind of fabric it is. Then these are the bottoms. This is how they look. The belt on the front and it's elasticated at the back, and this is how the bottoms look like. There is embroidery here. It's very nice, very cute, very pretty embroidery. The finishing is quite good. For the price it's very nice, because I think the whole set was priced at 500 or something like that.
Нашего лета, пати дэнс, гуляй до рассвета. Мы с тобой его выбираем, и
for today, guys. I hope you like this haul. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.